Ryan, are you okay? I am scared of the deep pool. You do not have to prove anything. I cannot swim here. Then stay away from the edge. I wish Dad were here. Emma! Help me! Ryan! I cannot swim. What is that light? Ryan, come back! Something is down here. What is that light? Ryan, come back! Something is down here. This bracelet is glowing. Leave it, Ryan. It feels warm. Ryan, remember what I taught you. Stay calm and breathe slowly. You are stronger than your fear. I am stronger. I can move! Yes, Ryan, keep going! I am not giving up.
Where is Ryan?
He is still in the deep pool.
I will bring him back. Stay calm, Mr. Ryan. My son is down there. We will find him.
I can see the surface. Come to me, Ryan. I am coming. Dad!
Ryan, I have you.
I made it!
Ryan, how did you swim up?
I stayed calm.
That saved you.
Mom, I found this underwater.
Where did you get that bracelet?
Near the bottom of the pool.
I know this bracelet. You know it?
You know it?
It belonged to my father. My father gave me this years ago.
Why was it in the pool?
I thought it was lost forever.
Ryan, I need to tell you something.
What happened?
I was afraid, but I should have helped sooner.
It is okay, Emma.
You are not angry?
No, we are friends.
You were brave today.
I was scared.
Being brave means facing fear. Are you still afraid of swimming?
A little.
Then keep learning.
If you liked our story, please like and subscribe. Share this story with your friends. See you in the next video.
Moral of the story: brave does not mean having no fear. Being brave means staying calm, asking for help, and never giving up. A too slow level. Do not let fear control you. Stay calm, ask for help, and never give up. Thanks for watching.